Hey MB crew, we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'll be rocking today is from Alipearl. So they included some headbands, some edgy wraps and everything. This is the unit. This is a short bob curly wig. It is a lace front. As you guys can see, it has combs and adjustable straps. We'll get into more details as the video goes along. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to my wig cap. Now I'm not doing the ball cap method because that takes too long and I ain't got time for that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this lace tinting spray by Eben and I'm going to spray it throughout the lace front. So I'm just going to spray it on like so, and this is just what it looks like. I cut the lace off camera and now I'm applying the unit to my head. Now this unit does come pre-styled and it also already comes with a middle part. So I'm going to use some Eben lace spray and I'm going to go ahead and spray the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and take this edgy wrap that Alipearl provided and I'm just going to go ahead and lay down the lace using this. And then once I was done, I went ahead and just brushed the hairline back. Now there's not a lot of hair around the hairline for me to work with, but I am going to try to create a few little baby hairs on the sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to swoop them around and try to get them to how I want them to be. I'm working with literally just a little bit of hair. So it was a little difficult. So I went ahead and added some Eben hideout to darken them a bit because they were skimpy. And then I just took some of the lace tinting spray and put it through the part of the unit, not too much. Like I said previously, I did not put the curls in this unit. It comes pre-styled, but I went in with my flat iron to kind of like flatten out the top to help it to lay better because obviously it's been, you know, in packaging and everything. So I'm just trying to like adjust it to my liking. Once I was all done, this is how the unit looked. As you guys can see, it's super bouncy, super curly. It is jet black and it's really beautiful, super rich and full. And so I decided to go ahead and do a side part because that's more my style. So I'm just going to go ahead and part the hair. The hair is really soft, you guys. And then I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron it at the top of the roots because obviously I'm changing the part. And I am using this wax stick to try to flatten it as much as possible. Literally gonna run my fingers through the hair and get it adjusted to how I want it to look and be. And this is how it is looking so far. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the lace tinting spray to the part, obviously because we changed the part. And this is just how it turned out with the side part. Super cute. So I decided to go ahead and flip my hair back and forth like they used to do back in the day, you know, to get those big Farrah Fawcett curls. So this is just how it turned out, doing it like that. Hey MB crew, I'm going to be here. Turn on your post notifications and follow me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. So today I'm here with a new do, as you guys can see. This unit is from Alipearl Hair. This is their short bob wig. I got mine in 14 inches. This is a lace front. It's a 13 by 4. It's 180 density and this is body wave hair, you guys. So this is how the unit looks. It's very curly. I really think it's longer than 14 inches to be honest. But the reason why they're probably saying 14 inches is because it's already pre-styled. You guys, this unit comes curled for you. So those of you that don't have the time or do not want to curl your own unit or you don't know how, this unit already comes curled, so you do not have to put the curls in it. I didn't do any curling. Y'all just saw me use my flat iron a little bit on the hair and that was all I did, like at the top. But as far as the rest of the hair, I did not curl it. It comes like this. These curls are in, you guys. Like, I mean, they are in. Like, even if you run your fingers through them, if you put a comb through them, all you got to do is twirl them back around your finger, and they are not going anywhere. Obviously, you guys, if you wash the unit, the curls are going to go away, and you're going to have to put them back in yourself. But initially, the unit does come styled, and I really like that because not everybody knows how to, like, curl like this or like style a wig. So this is very helpful because you can wear it a while with these curls in it before having to wash them out, because I'm telling you guys, these curls will last. Let's say if you're gonna wear this for a week, maybe even 2 weeks, I feel like these curls will definitely last. All you have to do is put your hair into a ponytail, spiral the curls going in one direction, and bun it, and when you take it down, you will still have these curls. So initially the curls will definitely last in this unit, which I love. It's a very, very curly unit. I feel like when I wear curly hair like this, it definitely matures me. It makes me look a little bit more mature. It's giving first lady vibes. You know how that go. But it is a really pretty unit. It initially comes in a middle part. I personally, middle parts are like hit or miss for me. They're not my absolute favorite. Sometimes they look right on me, sometimes I don't. But I'm more of a side part, deep side part type of girl. I feel like those are more fitting for my head shape. But the unit is really nice, you guys. The hair is really, really soft. Really soft. So I can only imagine how it's going to be once it's washed and probably straightened. I probably won't wash it for a while, obviously, because I want to enjoy these curls. But the unit is really nice and full, you guys. It's a really full unit. As you can see by how like juicy the curls is. It's not straggly on the ends or anything. It is super, super full, and I love that. This unit does come in longer lengths. If you do not like it as short, you can definitely get it in other lengths. Now this is a lace front wig. Now the only cons that I do have about this unit is I feel like there wasn't enough hair along the hairline. I feel like it was a little bit too plucked for my liking. I would have liked a little bit more hair to work with, because when I went to do my baby hairs, there wasn't a lot of hair to work with. So for those of you that don't like baby hairs, this would be a good unit for you, because they don't give you a whole lot of hair around the hairline to really do baby hair. So I kind of had to like finesse mine. But like I said, if you don't like baby hairs, it would be a great unit for you, because you don't have to worry about doing that. Also, you guys, Alipearl, I definitely feel like you guys have to work on the lace. I don't know what's going on, but there is so many flyaways in the lace frontal, and that is a bit annoying, because I've used my wax stick and everything, and I still cannot get them to completely lay down. So that is definitely a con for me, because don't nobody want to buy a frontal lace frontal wig and it's full of flyaways. So yeah, I definitely got to work on it, because it's like a lot of shorter pieces and they will not stay down. So I'm not really feeling that. So if y'all can get it to where there's not many flyaways, no matter how much wax I use, it is still flying away. I literally probably should have used like some freeze spray or something. The flyaways are just not, I'm not feeling the flyaways, okay? I'm really not. They're really annoying, because who, you know, you want them to lay down. So that's the only con that I have about the unit, besides that, and the it not having enough hair around the perimeter. I understand plucking, but I feel like it was over plucked. But outside of that, it is a very gorgeous unit. Like I said, this is definitely great for people that don't want to do any baby hairs, don't want to curl or anything like that. This is going to be the unit for you. It fits nicely on my head. The only thing I would suggest with like these pre-curled wigs, you definitely do have to like work with them to get them to fit for your liking, because they're already styled. So once you get it on your head, you might have to make a little bit of adjustments to get it to how you like it, as you guys saw me making a few adjustments to the unit. But overall, it is a very beautiful unit, you guys. It's very pretty. Definitely perfect for if you're going, I don't know, like something formal, anniversary, a birthday, something that you want to have like these beautiful like pin-up type of curls. Yeah, that's all I have to say about the unit, you guys. So you already know I'm going to go ahead and give it a grade, a rating, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to rate it a B, only because of the flyaways, and it needed more hair around the hairline. The lace lays really nicely. The lace is really thin, it's not thick, so that's a plus. But that's the reason why it's gonna get that. But you guys have to keep in mind, when you get this unit, you do not want to wash it initially, because you will lose your curls. You want to wear it with your curls. Once you wash it, you will have to install the curls back in yourself.